We're doing a little puppet show, and I'm gonna be playing Vamp. And hey, what's up? I'm Cameron. I'm gonna be playing Pump. Let's get started. Everybody, get your characters. It didn't look like a maze. I put my bookmark quiet on the set. Hey everybody, I'm Bam, and I'm Pump. Let's pump this party. Dance party. Bam, bam. Hey Pump. Huh? Why is Frankenstein no, never mind. What am I saying? Frankenstein's my friend. I'm not making fun of him. Okay, but can I make fun of your friend Skeleton or no? I am Skeleton. That ain't funny at all. Thank you, Miss Ellie. No problem. Boom, 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 bouncy, boom. I'm Vamp the Vamp. And I'm Pump the Pump. Well, tell me that funny joke that you're going to say Vamp. Fine. Okay, so, here, let me go tell the camera. Just a minute. I don't want to be left alone. I'm right here. Okay. No fair. So, all I was asking is, just a minute. All I'm asking is that, what's my problem? Well, it's probably because I got no tongue. Get it, Pump? I have no tongue. I'm Skeleton. But that's not the real joke. Okay. Well, I don't have a body. What makes Frankenstein so real? Do you think you know, Pump? His buck teeth? No. What makes Frankenstein real is his nuts and bolts. Oh, dude, you so crack me up. Now, well, it looks like some kid already cracked your face open. Look at that. Aw. Guys, don't laugh at me. It's not my fault that a kid just cracked my face. He cracked his face. What a shame. Oh, you get back over here so they can see me too. Oh, fine, Pump. Well, Pump, what do you want to do today? I'm tired. I think that I might just lay down in a sack of bones. Aw, dude. Oh my gosh. Well. Oh, Pump, you were gone. I didn't even realize he was gone. Oh, sorry. Well, all I said was, I'm so tired, I think I could go lay in a little sack of bones. Oh, dude, let's do our funky dance. All right, let's start it. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, dude, what do you want to do now? Let's bounce for a little bit. Huh? Bounce? Yeah. You mean trounce? Nope, I mean bounce. Down, 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 down. Just a minute. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, I think we're falling here. like 5 minutes. Can we do something else? Yeah, we can do something else. What do you want to do, Pump? I want to pump this party. Like how? Well, I never knew that because, wait a minute. How are we moving? We don't have no bodies. That's what you think. Whoa! That's what you think, huh? Are you telling me that you got a secret body that I don't know of? I might, and it might just be pretty and white like my bones. Hey, that is no fair, dude. That is no fair. It is no fair if you have a body, but I don't. Gosh, the guy ripped me, you know. You do have a body, you know that, right? That's what that big green thing hanging from your head is. Huh? What? Oh my gosh! Get it off! Get what off? Oh my gosh! There's hooks on our head. Oh my gosh. What's that about? See, look at our hook. Because we are dead. Hello. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was hung when I died. Here, let's move the chair. We both died together since we're best friends. Hey, let's meet. Let's go behind the scenes and let's see who's behind all of these little puppets. Okay? Here, move the chair. Hey, Han, we are going back to not upside down vision. Just a minute. Hey guys, we're back. Okay. So I was playing Vamp, and I was playing Pump. I know that this is probably a really stupid video, but we are some crazy people. You got that right. You can say that again. We're some crazy people. I didn't mean that, you know. I don't care, you know. Ah! Bam. Leave, Pump. I don't want to leave, Bam. By the way, these don't really have a body. The body was actually my arm, like under here. Yeah, that's how we like moved them. See, it was like this. It was like... No, we moved them by these huge things. Here, move back, Bam. Yeah, see? See, we have these like super long, stretchy things. Yeah, they like hang. That's how we get them to like... bounce down. Yeah. For the next few minutes of this game, let's just have a bounce party. Just a minute. Let me just adjust this a little bit. Let me move my chair beside. Let's get back here so they can see us both. Keep pumping, Bam. Bounce with us. No, let's see if they can bounce for the next few minutes that we have. Let's have a bounce party! Yeah! Bounce, 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 bounce. Down. You're hogging. You're the only one in here. Bounce, 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 bounce. Ow, Vamp, you hit me. Bam! Stupid! Cool. You got me! Woo! Fight! Fine, if we must. Come on! Pop! By the way, our next video, it's going to be so funny. Y'all have got to see it. Like, me and my producer are just going to be taping a lot of misc, too. Because, unfortunately, Brittney does not live with us. She is my best friend. I've known her since the first day of kindergarten, around 10:05, which was my first recess at school. First day. Robin? No, Brittney. I don't know anyone named Robin. That's that friend of yours. Oh, yeah. She's mean. Yeah, now let's do a quick wrestle. Do you mean thumb wrestling? Uh-oh. What? Time for me to go. Bye-bye. Time for me to go, too. We're dorks. And time for us to go. Well, this was Ellie and our tech producer, Cameron. Hey, I want to say it. And I'm Cameron. Well, this was Ellie and the Brittney My BFFL show. See you later. Bye.